Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze the 12th ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the word inna. Now this is very simple, very easy. Just take care of the kasra of Hamza, E. Join your Hamza with the noon, and your noon is with shadda. That means you will have to do akmal gunna over here. That means the most complete gunna. Inna. And then you will have to join this noon with the lam. So what will you do? This inna ladina. Okay. Now your dal over here should be given 2 counts, as it is with ya maddiya, and also take care of the makhraj of dal. Okay, now coming to the next word, which is yakhshawna. Now here join your ya with the kha. You have to run your kha, and there is a slight bubbling sound in your kha because the letter kha is with air. So what will you do? You will read it with a slight bubbling sound, run it, ya. Okay, and then shawna. Your sheen is with vowlinia. What is the correct sound of your lean? Vowline, it is aw. Now with the sheen, it will be shaw. So give the complete sound of your vowlinia. Don't read it like shaw. It should be shaw. Okay, and your noon should be given 1 count. Now coming to the next word, which is rabbahum. Now what will you do for this one? Your ra should be heavy, ra, and your ra should join with the ba. Rabbahum. Your ha, protrude your lips for the dhamma. Now between your the word rabbahum and bil ghaib is this rule. This rule is ikhfa shafawi. That means whenever the meme sakina is followed by a letter ba, what do? Is we hide the meme. Now hiding the meme is very simple. You don't have to do anything difficult over here. It's nothing difficult. It's nothing like which requires a lot of effort. It's very simple, very easy. You just have to let the 2 lips meet. Okay, for the meme, do gunna, then separate your lips for the ba. So how will you read? Rabbahum bil ghaib. If you stop over here, you will, what will you do? You will give your ba a sukoon, and you will also give do qalqala on your ba, bil ghaib. So what will you do over here? This part, you will have to stretch the gunna, right? And then if you are stopping over here, your ba will be read with qalqala. Okay, and if you are not stopping over here, what will you do? In continuation, you will then read the haraka of the letter ba, which is the kasra, and then you will continue here, and while continuing, again you will have another rule of meme, which is idgham mithlain saghir. Now even this is very simple, very easy. What do? You will have to just stretch the gunna. This is very simple, sisters. This is not at all difficult. Okay, it is just lahum maghfirah. Okay, again, if you're stopping over here, what will you do? You will give your ta marbuta sukun, and you will also change your ta marbuta to aha. Okay, so how will you read? Lahum maghfirah. Okay, so it will be rabbahum bil ghaibi lahum maghfirah. Right, inshallah. Okay, now coming to the next part here. Now here there is another rule, which is the idgham. This idgham is of noon sakina because this is tanween followed by the letter waw. Now this tanween has this hidden noon sakina in it. So whenever noon sakina is followed by a letter waw, what will you do? You will do idgham. That means we'll merge the noon sakina into the letter waw. So here you will do idgham. So what will you do? You will read it like this. Maghfiratun wa. Okay, you just have to stretch the gunna, protrude your lips for the dhamma, and then you have to do gunna, and then you have to read the waw. Okay, it should be maghfiratun wa. Okay, and then ajrun kabir. Now another rule over here. This is ikhfa. This is you all know ikhfa by now, sisters, right? What is this? You will have to hide the noon over here, right? The noon is followed by the letter kaf. So here you will hide your noon. Okay, so that means you will not touch the makhraj of noon, you will go close to the makhraj of kaf. Okay, so how will you read? Ajrun kabir. Now what will you do? At the end, here you will make your raw light. Okay, so practice well with the Shaykh, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, jazakum Allahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.